It's very easy to define a new collection on MyCollections software. Just click on the New Collection button at the left top corner of your screen, select New Collection, and then write the name you choose for this collection. A new pattern will appear on which you will be able to draw your collection. At this point, you can change Pages option to have a different layout size for your collection. For this tutorial, we only need a small one, because we will only add 2 fields. This is a stamps collection, so let's add some fields on it. We need a label. We can change its property, change the name. Let's say we want to add a country to store this information. Remove the box around the label, and then we need a field which can be a combo box. Let's add this combo box into the layout and then change its property. You will see here that we already have a table of countries with some countries in it. We can add or remove country and also change the username. Let's add a new country, for example England, and remove Italy, for example. This country will be reusable in each collection you will build, so everything is safe. Now let's add an image holder to the collection and resize it like this. We can also change some properties, make a back color white, for example, and a box around the images we will store. Let's say at this point that the collection is complete. It's a very simple one, but it served the purposes of this tutorial. So we can also change the positioning. Helps to draw our collection. We can use a relative positioning, and for this there are red markers that will appear to help you guide aligning your fields all together, or a grid, a simple grid in which we can define an interval of pixels. Now you see that your collection is not saved because there is a star after the name. Let's save it, and we can now go from design mode into data mode. In data mode there is another screen on the bottom of the application that will appear, and here we will be able to see the data that have been introduced. We are now going to add some records to this collection. I will select one country, for example France, and you will notice that as soon as I leave the field, the country is filled into the database. So in design mode there is no need for saving data, they are saved automatically. So now I can put an image to illustrate this record. I can do it by selecting images on my disks, or simply, if you have Firefox installed, drag and drop images from the internet into your collection directly, and they will be stored with a strange name in your database. So we have added one item. Let's add another one, this time a stamp from England. Let's select it from the internet. Okay, this is just for the purpose of making a tutorial on. I don't know if these images are protected by copyright or no, but we won't keep those. Okay, so at this point you have 2 items in your collection, and basically you can have as much as you want. That's it.